Alright guys, yeah, as you can see here at the Steve Jobs Theater, it's actually jam-packed. I'm going to show you all the new iPhone 16 Pro colors. We have a new desert titanium finish. We have a natural titanium you're already familiar with, as well as a white titanium and the black one. I'm gonna give you your first look at all 4 new finishes. Let's dive into the video. As you can see, this is the new desert titanium finish. This is replacing the blue titanium we had before, and it's absolutely stunning. Like, this color really reminds me of the iPhone XS back in the days when they introduced it with the gold finish. And yeah, as you can see here, we still have the capture button here on the side, now coming to all the iPhone 16 models, but now we also have this new camera control, and it's a haptic touch button. And honestly, I just tried it out, and the subtleness and the feedback you're getting from this button is absolutely unreal. You really need to try it out for yourself. Just have a look at this insane color. And this is the new white titanium finish. Well, new. It's actually pretty similar on the 15 Pro that we had. A really clean look, and what's really amazing also on this iPhone again, we have the camera control, the new button. Yeah, also the bigger size. So what you see here is the 6.3-inch model, and the bezels are also significantly thinner on the new 16 Pro models compared to that on the iPhone 15 Pro models. Together with a bigger size, definitely makes a massive change. And also, yeah, you just feel it. So the weight distribution is so much better, so lighter. Yeah, so we still have the capture button, a really clean and amazing look, absolutely gorgeous. And here, natural titanium, which was most popular color last year for the iPhone 15 Pro. Here you can see it's similar on the 16 Pro, no changes here. However, there's one change on the outside, and that's obviously the camera. What's really important to know also is that we now get the A18 Pro chip on these devices, as well as significant upgrades to the camera. We now have a 5x telescope camera on the back. Also, the charging has significantly been increased. We now have up to 40 watts wire charging and 20 watt MagSafe charging. The last color, guys, the black titanium finish, always a very popular design, a very popular color, absolutely stunning. Again, we have the camera controller on the bottom, obviously USB-C, A18 Pro chip right there, extremely powerful, supporting obviously ProMotion. So again, that's only on the Pro models. The camera, we now have upgraded 120 frames per second in 4K video. Absolutely amazing. Again, we have the capture button here. I absolutely love this color. This is my second popular one after the desert titanium one. We now also have upgraded and updated microphones, of course, to support better Apple Intelligence features. Studio quality mics, really nice for the voice memos app as well, which come with a bunch of new features. And yeah, and that camera, crisp and clear, really nice. And of course, the bigger display. This is the 6.9-inch model, smaller bezels obviously, and Apple Intelligence. Look at that animation. I mean, how sick does this look? Alright guys, so yeah, that's a wrap. The new colors of the iPhone 16 Pro. Absolutely my favorite one is obviously Desert Titanium. Let me know in the comments what your favorite new iPhone 16 Pro color is. And of course, subscribe, like, and see you in the next one. Peace.